Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. This is Yakuras Moments, and today we have a small review of the Rode Lavalier Go. The Rode Lavalier Go is a professional wearable microphone designed for use in a wide range of applications. It is omnidirectional miniature microphone with clear broadcast quality audio, TRS connection, and compatible with wireless Go. Alright guys, let's go unboxing this small package and see what's inside. Alright, so everything comes here inside, so let's take it out. Okay, this is the pouch, and here we go with the lavalier, the pop shield on top of it, and the lav clip here. That's it guys, let me connect everything and we're gonna put in our camera and compare it with the Rode video micro that I have on top on it right now. Alright, before doing anything, let me show you how we can put this all together, because it seems a bit confusing. So we need to take off this pop filter like that. This looks very good quality, by the way, very nice. And in this clip we're gonna put the small lav mic here. I'm gonna pass it here and make sure to put it until these lines. There's one line here, it's special, the last line is special for that place. Alright, now we're gonna put a cable here. This cable goes here just in case you pull it so you don't break the microphone, and you can pass it from this, there's a space here for the cable, so you just push it there, you push the cable there. You can use your nails maybe a bit here, like that. Just make sure not to damage the cable. Alright, here we go. And it passes through this, and this is just in case, so you don't break the cable from here. If something happens and you pull it accidentally, it makes this move and it's safe, it will not break anything, okay? And we can put back the pop filter here, the pop shield. Here we go. And our microphone is actually ready. Alright, let me show you how you can put it to your t-shirt. Of course, you're gonna put it here near to your neck. So there is a clip, you just clip it here, facing up as you can. And here we go. And the other end go to your camera or to your recording device. Of course, you can put it in, no, I put it two up actually. You can put it like this is perfect, like that here, or even you don't need to put on that thing, you can even put it on your cloth here. It's up to you, just make sure not to touch the t-shirt or something like that. Okay, I could put it like this. Of course, the other thing is better to put it under your t-shirt. This is a better way, the best way, and clip it here, for example, so you can see just the cable going out just here, not the cable down here. That's all. Alright, and right now we're gonna compare the two microphones that I have. Right now you can hear the sound from the Rode Video Micro, which is a small shotgun mic that I have right now on my DSLR. Okay, and right now you hear me from the Rode Lavalier Go here, connecting my t-shirt. It's going with the cable. The only thing, the cable is a little bit short, it's just 1 meter, so if you want to go more far away, definitely you need an extendable. And also this device can be connected with the Rode Wireless Go transmitter, so it's very good. And the other thing, I had to reduce actually the sensitivity. I'm not sure if it's good right now, but I put it from 12, which it was before, I put it to 8. I think I could put it even to 7 or lower. So this is the sound, and let's jump back to the Rode Video Micro in top of my DSLR, the shotgun mic, to compare for one more time. Okay, and we are back with the small shotgun mic, the Rode Video Micro on top of my camera. This is from which you're getting the sound right now, just for you to understand and compare the two devices, the Rode Video Micro and the Rode Lavalier Go that I'm trying today. So this is how the sound is, and let's go jump without any microphone connected to our DSLR just to see how much better it is to have an external microphone. Doesn't matter if it's a shotgun or it's a lav mic. Okay, now I removed all the microphones. I have them here, both of them, and the lavalier and the Rode shotgun, the micro. So this is the sound from the internal microphone of my DSLR, of my Nikon D5600. I know it's crap, that's why we're doing this small review. Okay, let's put back the Rode Video Micro and after the lavalier and you're gonna tell me which sounds better. Of course, not this. This is no microphone. Okay, we are back with the Rode Video Micro, the small shotgun mic in top.
Your phone's data is turned off, so I can't help you with that at the moment.
Shut the Okay, and we put it back the Rode Video Micro, the small shotgun mic of the Rode, which is in the top of my DSLR, and this is the sound from it. And I want you to tell me which is gonna be better, this or this. No, we're back with the lavalier, so which is better, guys? I'm recording again back with the Rode Lavalier Go here on my neck, and tell me which is better. Is better the lavalier or the Rode Video Micro shotgun mic in top of my DSLR? You can write down in the comment section below and tell me if the Rode Video Micro, the shotgun mic, is better, or if you think the Rode Lavalier Go is better, which I have it here on my neck. And that was the short video, guys. I hope you like it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to support me, and see you in the next video.